Hello guys, we are on 5.2. 5.2 they say determine without using a calculator the value of the following expression. Okay, we are given an expression like that. It goes for 4 marks. Okay, let's try it. Okay, we are given something of this magnitude. Okay, we are given something of this magnitude. Then we try to simplify. Okay, here we are having the negative angle. Okay, the negative angle falls in the fourth quadrant. Okay, and in the fourth quadrant our sign is negative. Okay, then I can write it like this to say 2 into negative sine of 20 degrees like that. Okay, then here I'm still having the sine of 160 degrees here, the cos of 40 degrees. Okay, then here it won't stress. I can say 2 multiplying the negative 1 there. I'm going to have negative 2 the sine of 20 degrees. Okay, with this one 160 degrees, I can reduce it to 20. Okay, I can reduce it to 20 because when it is like this I can't do anything about them. Okay, I can't multiply them. Then let's try our calculator there. The 180 degrees subtracting the 20 gives us the 160. Okay, it means we are going to expand this one into 180 degrees subtracting the 20. Okay, then here I'm going to have the sine into 180 degrees subtracting the 20. Okay, the 180 degrees is a quadrant, the 20 I took it here. Okay, then even this one I can express it in terms of 20. Okay, I can say 2 multiplying the 20. Yes, it gives me 40. Okay, then I can say 2 into 20. Okay, because 2 is for the double angle. Okay, 2 is for the double angle. Then now I can simplify. I'm going to have negative 2 the sine of 20 degrees. Okay, 180 degrees minus is in the second quadrant, and in the second quadrant sine is positive, then this reduces to positive sine 20 degrees. Okay, this one I just leave it like this for now. Okay, then here I'm having the sine 20 degrees and the sine 20 degrees. Okay, and they are multiplying. Then I'm going to have negative sine squared 20 degrees. Okay, subtracting the cos of 2 into 20 degrees like that. Okay, now here I'm having the double angle for the cosine. Okay, I need to replace it. Remember, the double angle for the cosine, it is having the 3 options. Okay, then it means we must choose the appropriate one. Okay, for this problem that we are having here. Okay, uh, here are the 3 options. Okay, the double angle for the cosine there, it having the first question as the first option, I mean, as cos squared theta subtracting the sin squared theta there. Okay, if we can take the first option there and 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 place it here, the this sin squared theta is going to deal with this one. Okay, then we are going to be left with this one. Then we won't know what to do with it. Okay, then since here we are having the sine squared. Okay, the appropriate one to choose is that one which is having the sine. Okay, I think this one, it suits perfectly. Okay, even though this one it might work in the long run, but this one seems to suit perfectly because the sine squared of angle there is going to deal with this one. Okay, remember this set we're going to replace it by 20. Then let's take this one as a good option. Okay, then here we're going to have 1 subtracting the 2 the sine squared 20. Okay, we have dealt with this one in this manner. Okay, then now we do the distribution. There we're going to have negative 2 sine squared 20 degrees there, negative 1 multiplied by 1 there gives me -1. Negative multiplied by negative gives me positive. Okay, then I'm having 2 sine squared 20 like that. Okay, then here I'm having the negative 2 sine squared 20 plus the 2 sine squared 20 there. Okay, these are the like terms. Okay, they should give me 0. Okay, they should give me 0. We can even arrange it in a good manner to say negative 2 sine squared 20 plus 2 sine squared 20 subtracting 1. Okay, they give me what? They give me 0. Then I'm left with -1. Okay, with this one we must verify by a calculator. Remember, here we are just having the values here. We can just punch this one the calculator and see what we get. Okay, let's say 2 into the sine of -20 multiplying the sine of 160 subtracting the cos of 40. Then we are having 1. Then now we are good to go. You see, we are having 1. Maybe for this one we should never go wrong. We know exactly where we should land. Okay, if you are having any question you can post. Okay, bye.